episode of Market Bag, and the highlight this week, still hot pepper. Hot pepper, they're $4,000 a pound. But other than that, things are still affordable in the market. Don't believe me? Check out these prices.
You ask about pepper, you don't see any. I don't see any either. And I guess because Melissa had gone with all of them, so there's none here. I hear by the tail bearing that pepper is $5,000 a pound. I've not seen it, so I can't say it for myself, but I hear that it's selling for $5,000. I'm not sure. But there's no melon. I love melon too, I don't see any. So we just have to wait until the next crop comes.
We're satisfied and dissatisfied. You can use them to word it. These are my favorite. I love selling. These are my ear-to-ear selling. And when I have to go deeper in my pocket to purchase them, it is unfair to my pocket and my good up nice clean up customers. For instance, I always pay like, buy them for $1,500 a bag, meaning the bag is £100. So they calculated I buy it for $150. To sell it back for $200, you only get a mark of $50 profit. And out of that $50 profit, you have to pay for what you sell. Like the stall here, so. You pay for here, so. You use the bathroom, you eat something, you pay the cartman for carry come. But you will still satisfied because little makeup. Only for you this morning, them carry to $200 a pound. Now, only for the put me good nice customer and tell them say $250. Unexpected. And the unexpected beat me, you know. Because you can just get up on unexpected things. And all like me, if you tell pretty people where I come, so out of the blues, it rears up. Because some people come with their market that the same way, you know.
But the farmers are saying otherwise.
Me, I buy back, you know. I've never met a farmer. Those people who bought it from the farmer, they have to buy it back from them and sell it back. So me is like a third person. Because everybody else say, the farmer. So Mr. Farmer out there, this is Nikki, come along, let me meet you. The housewife, them literally crying. Them can't feed them family. I mean, so Jamaica should be a place where every individual family can feed a family. We both have the ground, we both have the water. But it's slowing down and it's deteriorating. I mean, I talk, somebody else say, yeah, we can buy some, but what happened to the person who can't? You see the canned people, them, and then we see. We see people who can buy, because the people who can buy them, they buy, yes, sir.
The prices are fluctuating, but comment and tell us what you think. This was Market Bag.